and welcome.
Hello.
We're out in the wilds now in Snowdonia on a mountain road in the middle of nowhere.
Yep. We can see, well, only just see mountains in front of us.
Yeah, it's low cloud today and it's very misty on the mountains.
Mizzly.
Mizzly misty. Yeah, keeps trying to rain but it hasn't done successfully so far. We're on a gated road, so jumping out now and again to open a gate or two. We have had a gentleman open the gate for us a couple of times, so been very lucky that way. It's a very quiet road if you want to come for a drive on this road, but in saying that, don't everybody come, because it's nice for us to drive. And
You're contradicting yourself.
I know,
now.
yes, I know I am. Yeah, I don't want people driving on this road. It's nice and quiet, peaceful. Don't want it to be like a motorway. Anyway, we'll carry on with our drive, trying to avoid the sheep.
Yeah.
That are sort of jumping from side to side. There's our man.
That chap's gone in front again now.
Yeah, he's come past us.
In his Audi.
Yeah, he's gone to open another gate. We'll give him a moment or two to carry on in his drive and let him disappear. And probably catch up with him again shortly.
Anyway.
Right, let's go.
See you in a bit.
Right.
See what we mean about very misty.
Yeah, so you've not got a very good view, I'm afraid.
The views were gorgeous earlier on. It was all nice and clear until we started recording.
Yeah, and it's all gone downhill.
No, we came uphill.
This is very true, we did. We came uphill, the weather came downhill.
Tiny spots on the car, on the windscreen now.
Yeah, screen is getting wet. Oh, there he is. He's just gone through the gate.
He's just shut.
Yeah. Right, another gate to open and close. Oh, motor stopped.
What's happened there? Turned off. No beeping. Oh, the car's shut down. It's gone to sleep. Oh, God. The car's gone to sleep.
It's gone to sleep?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll wake the car up. Gone into sleep mode. Ooh. View down to the left, you can see it on the camera, so the brightness down there.
Oh, yeah, but you can't see a lot though. He's gone again. A bit breezy out there as well. Is it breezy out there?
It's not that bad actually. It's a bit breezy, but it's nothing.
You see the mist being blown across there.
Yeah. You can see it on camera.
Probably not. It's over that way.
Yeah.
We can actually see the mist being blown across by the wind.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah, you can see it here as well though.
Yeah, it's moving in front of us now as well.
Is it blowing that blue sky across? Well, it can't blow blue sky across, obviously. But...
No.
Oh, put it in dry.
Yeah, it does help.
Yeah. whether you picked that up on camera, I don't know. I didn't see it. It's like a rolling mist.
That's eerie.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
It's something out of a Stephen King story, isn't it?
And especially with that.
Yeah.
Just there, that the brightness in the sky there. Oh, there you go. A red kite, I think. Over it. I think it's a red kite. The way it's flying, it looks like.
Yeah, it's just gliding, isn't it? No opening and shutting here.
No, just a...
Got a cattle grid or a sheep grid instead. I call them sheep grids because it's normally because of the sheep.
Well, there won't be many cattle up here.
No.
Sheep country, that's for certain. I got to put up with the wipers, I'm afraid.
Yeah, they need to work a bit harder actually.
Yeah.
It's
affecting the vision on the
definitely
camera.
Yes.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll stop now shortly. Getting a little bit brighter. It is improving. Bilberries, or windberries, whichever you want to call them. All these plants.
Are they?
Yep.
Do you want to go and pick some?
No, they won't be ripe yet. Remember when we used to go picking them, it was usually around August time when it used to be at my granddad's in Wales. We used to be picking them up on the Stiper stones in Shropshire. With my nan, my granny. They used to take us up there because Granny never drove, she couldn't drive. Well, she probably could drive, but she hadn't got a licence.
Bit like me.
Yeah. He used to take us up there, leave us for the day, collecting the windberries, through bilberries, depends where you come from, whatever you call them.
I've never heard of them anyway. Either way.
No, they're more Shropshire and this way, the west.
So are they sweet or sharp?
Yes, a bit of sharpness to them. You can eat them straight off the bush.
Yeah, but you eat blackberries.
This is true, yeah.
Blackcurrants. They're too sharp for me.
Yeah, I suppose it's similar to a blackcurrant, but a little bit bigger.
Now that'd look gorgeous if it wasn't for the mist.
Would, wouldn't it? That is a beautiful view on a good day.
You can't see an awful lot on the camera.
No.
Sorry about the weather again.
Yeah.
We have had some lovely weather and we've had some good videos in the sunshine, but it's failing us again.
This is the norm.
It's not the norm. We've had some lovely videos recently.
We have, yeah. Yeah, we have. Up in Wales. It's getting brighter though.
Yeah, it's bright, but it's still misty.
Yeah.
So you still don't get the views. To our new subscribers. I can't name you all, but glad you've joined us, and hope you carry on with us. There'll be lots more videos to come.
That's an interesting sign, isn't it? When you read it. It says Bala that way, and then it says above it, no through road. So I think the sign is slightly in the wrong position.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice down here.
Yeah, we've got a river flowing here now.
Yes,
I don't know what river it is.
And that's quite... Oh, stop.
You want to get a picture?
Yes, I do.
Oh, I can hear it as well. Yeah, that's pretty. I can see your video now. We'll put that video onto this as well.
Oh, there's a hole there, a big drop, but you can't see it.
Oh. No, it's just too far down.
Yeah.
It's where the water's dropping down.
Yeah. Huge drop there. That was gorgeous. Oh,
And your haircut?
their haircut, yeah.
Some fire damage along here as well.
That's interesting, that bridge.
It is, isn't it? Takes you up to a parking area. Obviously there are walks from here. It's actually shut off at the moment.
Right next to the river now. same river? No.
Gain.
It's the Avon Gain.
Waterfall coming down on our right hand side.
Yeah.
Where are you going, my dears? Oh, you're going back with the kids now.
Oh,
I
no, don't know what to do.
Oh, hey! Oh.
Hey! It's a race. That one's still not sure where to go.
Where are you going? You've left your lambs behind.
Oh, you silly woman.
Oh. Oh, it was fun, wasn't it?
And on that note, we'll say we hope you've enjoyed this little adventure.
Yeah.
And if you have, please hit the like.
And subscribe.
And we'll come back for some more soon.
Yeah. No, that one's not moving.
No, she doesn't care. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Yeah. Catch you soon.
We'll leave you with the back of a sheep.
Bye.
Bye.